Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make stir-fry spaghetti. First, gather all your ingredients, including your favorite spaghetti, fresh vegetables, and a protein like chicken or tofu. Next, cook your spaghetti according to package directions until it's perfectly al dente. Drain it well and rinse with cold water to stop the cooking process. Finally, prepare your vegetables by slicing them into uniform, bite-sized pieces. Now let's get cooking. Heat 1 tablespoon of your preferred cooking oil in a large wok or skillet over high heat until it shimmers. Add your chosen protein, whether it's chicken, beef, or shrimp, and cook until it's beautifully browned and nearly cooked through. Then, toss in your harder vegetables like carrots or broccoli and stir-fry them for about 2 minutes until they are tender crisp. It's time to bring in the flavor. Pour your delicious stir-fry sauce directly into the wok, ensuring it coats all the ingredients evenly. Next, add your cooked spaghetti to the mix, tossing everything together until the noodles are well integrated and coated with the sauce. Finally, incorporate your softer vegetables, such as bell peppers or spinach, and cook for an additional 1 to 2 minutes. Almost done. Give everything one final stir-fry for about 1 minute, ensuring all the ingredients are perfectly heated through and the flavors have melded beautifully. For a fresh touch, garnish your stir-fry spaghetti with some chopped fresh cilantro or thinly sliced green onions. Your incredible homemade stir-fry spaghetti is now ready to be served immediately. Enjoy every delicious bite.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.